Hi Ultimate Gardeners, welcome back to the Ultimate Gardening channel. My name is Emmanuel Arcewa, known as the Ultimate Gardener. Today is a jolly day because we are going to be harvesting my first ever cabbage. This is going to be the first harvest I've ever gotten in a long time because I've never been so excited about vegetables, but today is the day. I'll be showing you guys 3 examples on one that is not ready, one that is almost ready, and one that is ready to pick today. This cabbage head is going to be pretty small because I did not fertilize the way I was supposed to. If I was on top of fertilizing, maybe the cabbage head could have come out a little bit more bigger or more to liking, but I didn't, unfortunately. But also based on the variety of cabbage I have the Bonnie hybrid cabbage, which means that it's going to be sort of on the shorter scale. So let's go ahead and stop talking and let's go ahead and jump right into this video. So Ultimate Gardeners, we're in the cabbage patch right here. So as you can notice, we have different sizes and different forms. So one that is not ready is the one over here in the far left corner. This is the most prettiest one I have, but you can see the leaves are not completely closed and there's technically nothing there, so it's not ready to harvest. One that is almost ready is this one, that the leaves are starting to close up and the head is starting to become a little bit more firmer. Just a little bit more time and we can have this one ready to go. This is the one that we'll be harvesting today. The leaves are completely closed and it is hard. So this one is ready to harvest and I'm super excited. So let me set up the camera and let's get to harvesting. So Ultimate Gardeners, look at this beauty. This is crazy. I can't believe I grew something this beautiful. Always in the garden, you'll experiment and you'll try new things that are out your comfort zone, and I definitely did, and this is a huge win in my book. This is something I won't forget because I don't know if you guys have remembered, but I've harvested a cabbage before, but I didn't grow that. This one has been grown in my garden and has been taken care of in my garden, and it is doing amazing. And I can't believe I grew something like this and it actually took. I am super pleased to see it. Once again, the 3 basic things you need to know when harvesting a cabbage is, first, it has to be firm all the way through. This cabbage is firm all the way through. Second, you want to look at the intersect and see if all the leaves are closed, and as you can notice, the leaves are closed on this one too. Second, you want to go ahead and make sure that the cabbage is at proper size, because in each and every breed of cabbage, there's different types of sizes based on the variety you get. And so the Bonnie hybrid is a pretty small cabbage, so this one's actually in the great work. I am super thrilled, so let's go ahead and wrap this video up. So Ultimate Gardeners, that's gonna be it for this exciting sprouting video. Once again, in this video, I talked to you guys the basics you need to learn on how to harvest your cabbage. I gave you guys 3 examples and I harvested my first beauty. So thank you all so much for watching this video, and never forget to grow big, Ultimate Gardeners. Bye guys.